Good morning friends. Today we'll discuss 7 segment LED display using LPC 2148 and ARM7. So we know that the segments is a part here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 segment LED segments are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H is for dot. So whichever segment you want to enable, you have to send one across that segment. So these segments are connected with port 0 of 16 to port 0 of 23. Port 0 of 16 is connected to segment A, port 0 of 17 is connected to segment B, 18 is connected to C, 19 is connected to D, 20 is connected to E, 21 is connected to F, 22 is connected to G, and P0 of 23 is connected to dot. If you want to display the dot, you can use P0 of 23. And in LPC 2148 ARM7, here we have a segment here. So the four segments, four LED segments they have given. To select one out of that, we have display segment 1, display segment 2, display segment 3, display segment 4. So display segment 1 is connected to P0 of 28, display segment 2 is connected to P0 of 29, and 30 is connected to display segment 3, and 31 is connected to display segment 4. So if you want to display across only DS display segment 1, P0 of 28 is sufficient. If you want across all, you have to enable P0 of 28, P0 of 29, 30, 31. To get the value for 0, so we know that for 0 here, so segment A should be enabled, segment B, C, D, E, F, except G. Rest all segments we have to enable. So value for that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If you consider here, G should be 0, rest all is 1. If G is 0, this entire thing is a 0. To display 0, G should be 0, rest all is 1. That is what we did here. G is 0, so rest all are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The value of this is 3. 0, 1, 1, 1 is 3, then 1, 1, 1 is F. 3F is for 0. Similar for 0, 1, either you consider BC or FE. If you consider BC here, BC are 1, 1, rest all are 0, 0. So 0, 6 is a value for displaying 1. Similarly for 2, 3, 4. So those values first you have to calculate. This is a comment section. So program start from here. So you calculate that separately. So values of 0, 1, 2, 3. So the total here we are displaying 0 to 9, then A to F. Total 16 values we are displaying 0 to F. So those 16 values we have loaded here. First value you can see here. So 3F for 0. Then 6000 for 1. This is for 2. This is for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F. After that I can reset that. So 16 values are there. 16 values we have loaded here in a variable, array variable called disp. Then as these segments are connected to P0 of 16 to P0 of 23. So to make them as GPIO, we use pin cell 1. We have discussed this. Pin cell 0 is used to program port 0 of 0 to port 0 of 15, either GPIO, transmitter, receiver, and PWM and all. So whereas P0 of 16 to P0 of 23, P0 of 16 to P0 of 31, we use a pin cell 1. Pin cell 1, if you load all zeros, it will act as GPIO. So when we load all zeros in pin cell 1, P0 of 16 to P0 of 31 will act as GPIO. After the general purpose input output, GPIO. After that, so we'll make the direction either input or output. In 7 segment, we are not reading any data from the segment. We are sending the data to a segments. So we need an output. So we have to set it here. So IO0 DIR is a register, is a port 0 register. So we have made F0 FF000. So this FF. F0 is to select 4 segments. Sorry, not 4 segments, 4 LED displays. Then this FFR to select P0 of 16 to P0 of 23. So P0 of 16 to P0 of 23 is output port. Then P0 of 28 to 31 are output ports. P0 of 16 to P0 of 23. Then P0 of 28 to P0 of 31 are output port. P0 of 16 to 23 is for the data which you want to display. Whereas selection of that segment selection of that display segment is done through P0 of 28 to P0 of 31. That will be here, P0 of 28 to 31. This F is FF000. The output direction we did, then we have to set it. First, so we have selected all the 4 display segments here. All the 4 display segment IO 0 set by setting this F here. If you give only 1 here, then first display segment will be selected. If you give 2 here, second display segment will be selected. If you give 3, third display segment will be selected. If you give F here, so 4, all 1 1 1. So 4 display segment will be selected. Initially we are clearing the value on that display segment. Then we are fetching each value and sending it across the port 0, P0 of 16 to P0 of 23. Here IO 0 set, the port 0. So what value you are fetching? Array of switch count. Initially switch count is 0, so 0th value. 0th value is array 0th value is 3F. 3F 0 0 0 0. We are sending it across IO 0 set. After a delay, again going back and incrementing that the pointer, display pointer, and fetching the second value, sending it. Fetching the third value, sending it, and so on. So if the switch count is 16, then reset it to 0 and infinite loop. We are displaying the 0 to FF. Simple program. What we are doing here, the displaying value, 0 value, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, we have calculated and loaded in array. From array, 1 by 1 we are fetching and sending it across port 0 of 16 to port 0 of 23. Simple one. Port 0 of 16 to port 0 of 23. To send across that, here we have FF. FF 0 0 0 0. This is port 0 of 0 to port 0 of 15. 4 zeros, then 16 to 23. These two Fs. 16 to 23. Those two Fs. So fetching a value using this array. Array of 0. Array of 0 is first value is 3F. That is for 0. That we are loading, sending it across IO 0 set. Then increment the switch count to point a second value 1. Then repeat it. To increment switch count to point a third value, that is 2, and so on. So 16 until it reaches 16. Once it reaches 16, reset that and display that infinite. It's a simple program. So only around 15 lines of code. 15 lines of code. So values we have to calculate, load it in array, fetch each value and send it across IO 0 set. In IO 0 set, in port 0, that to P0 of 16 to P0 of 23 we have to send it. So why we ALS manufacturer have connected the LEDs across P0 of 16 to P0 of 23. So take this program, save this, right click on this, go for target options and build this using use microlib. You have to select this, you have to click on this, then go to output, create hex file here, create hex file, then go to linker, make sure that the create hex file is enabled one. Create hex file is enabled. We have to create hex file, that hex file we have to dump it. So go to linker here, select use memory, it's already there. If not, you do that. Then build it. It will create an hex file in the name of project. Project name is 7seg. 7seg is a project name. You can check, you can see here. The project name is 7seg. 7seg is a project name. So hex file will be created in the file name. Project name is 7seg. So go browse here in FlashMagick. Here we have to select 7seg.hex. This we have to select it and dump it. No more connections. Directly start it. So here it will display. You can check all zeros are there. All ones. I'll reset this again. So you can see here all zeros, then all ones, all 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till F. After F again reset. This is the output I will get across 7 segment display. We are displaying 0 to F. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F, we are displaying across the 7 segment LEDs. Those 7 segment LED values we have loaded in array. From array we are sending it across port 0 of 16 to port 0 of 23. Simple one. If you want to only display across this 7 segment displays unit, if you want to display across only this one, you don't want to display across this, then we have to, what we have to change here? So in that, wherever F is there, in place of F you select 1. Earlier we have given F here. F means P0 of 28, 29, 30, 31. We have seen that. P0 of 28, 29, 30, 31. If you select only P0 of 28, it will display across only first 7 segment display. Now I made that as 1, and direction anyway let it output only. So here I have made it 1, you can see here. Then we are sending the values. So I build this. So same settings you have to do. Create a X file. Go to a browser. Select that 7seg.hex. Then start it. You will see the output now. You can see only this LED segment is displaying, not all. When we have given a F, all were displaying. So now we have selected only this one, that too using P0 of 28.